and welcome to another video. So today I have an interesting product. I have the Bebird Smart Visual Ear Cleaner. So this thing is meant for you to look at your ear canals if you put something in there and it's stuck in there, or if you feel like there's something stuck in there, or there's earwax that you want to take off. So it works through Wi-Fi. I bought it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to it below. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so it comes with this device here. It has a blue button. It says Bebird on top. Has this protector, I guess, so that you don't damage your ear. Has a micro USB port on the bottom to charge. Little grip here. Very lightweight. Comes with a micro USB cable to charge. I'm going to put that to the side. And there's a second ear guard here. Let's go to the instructions. Bebird, innovative technology revolution of both tech and price. There's a QR code to download the app. Let's go ahead and download the app. I'm just going to search rather than Bebird. Let's download. Okay, so this is the Bebird R1. So once it installs, we just select that, press the button here to turn it on, and then you should be good to use it. And you have to connect to the Bebird R1 Wi-Fi to use it. Okay, let's open up the app here. Wow. Okay, Bebird R1. Okay, we'll go ahead and press and hold to turn it on. Next step, start using. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi here. So I'm gonna go to my Wi-Fi here and connect to this device here. So it stopped flashing, so that means it's connected. I can go back to the app. It's 100% charged. So that's good, came 100% charged. That means it'll get about 30 minutes of use time. Okay, let's start it up. And it's going through some tutorial. So you can change it to horizontal. You can change the ear. So I see, so I guess it just flips the image over if you're and then you can change the focus and the wide angle. Okay, so let's put it in my ear and see what it looks like. As you can see, there was some dirt on there, so I'm gonna wipe it off here, or some wax, as you can see. I don't recommend going ham with this thing. I think this is just to kind of get off any major wax you have. You don't need to take every little speck out because you're supposed to have wax in your ears. And I'm going to just rotate through here and look at the inside of my ear. Mostly the ear canal. Let's have a look at the other ear. And I can change it while I was using the left more, even though I was looking at the right. But I'm kind of scared to put it in too deep, and that's why you don't see the whole canal, because it's my first time using it. Anyways, so I'm going to take the guard off, because now I don't want to scoop anything out, I just want to have a look. And now you can see a better view, and then you can see some wax, but that's not too much. I mean, I don't think you need to clear it completely. You can see my eardrum there. It's a pretty good view. I don't see any signs of infection. You can see the bone here. On the other side, Same thing, you get a good view of the eardrum, no problems there, barely any wax. It's getting a little warm, but not warm enough to hurt. I'm just gonna wipe it off here. So this is kind of the macro view you're looking at with the camera here. Pretty focused here, so if we switch from left to right, then it's legible. And then the focus lens will be sort of more narrower view. Wide lens would be a broader view. I prefer the broader view. So we're at 89%. To turn it off, you just press and hold. Let's see if there's any cleaning instructions in here. When cleaning the lens, please wipe it carefully with professional alcohol cotton swab. So I have some cotton swabs, so I'm just going to wipe it clean with that. And don't use it while you're moving. Of course, you don't want to injure your eardrum. You don't submerge this in a liquid. It's you must charge it like once a month, but not too frequently, because it's a lithium-ion battery. It doesn't want you to kill the battery. And you don't want it to expose to extreme temperatures. The rod weight is only 13 grams, which is true. It's very lightweight. I'm not even sure if it's truly 13 grams or even lighter. Anyways, this is a good little product. I just got it to kind of play with, have a look at my ears. But yeah, I think it's very useful. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.